English lovers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about pronouns. We will cover all the categories with examples, and I will tell you also about one category which in fact aren't pronouns. Do you know which one it is? Also, if you have wondered when to use pronouns ending with self, today is your lucky day, because we are going to talk about when to use them and how does it change the sentence meaning. Now enjoy my new channel intro, and I will be right back with you with the explanations. Okay, let's start with the definition of the pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words which replace nouns. We have several categories of pronouns. First category are subject pronouns. Second category are object pronouns. Third category are possessive pronouns, which in fact aren't called pronouns but adjectives. We will get to this category. The fourth category are possessive pronouns. Fifth category are reflexive pronouns. Sixth category are intensive pronouns. And this will be the last category. So, let's start with the subject pronouns. These are the basic pronouns that you learn when you start to learn English. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So, let's use these pronouns in sentences. What can we say? Pronoun I. I am Sylvia. Pronoun you. You are an English student. He is lucky. She likes tennis. It is raining. We're going to holiday. They don't eat meat. So, these are the subject pronouns. These pronouns are used to replace nouns that are the subject in the sentence. Let's go to the second category, object pronouns. Object pronouns are used to represent direct or indirect object. Which one are they? Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Okay, let's go to some examples. Me. Give me the book. You. He wants to talk to you. Him. It was such a surprise for him. Her. I'll never call her again. It. I searched the whole room and I can't find it. Us. Don't worry about us. Them. We can't wait for them. So as you can see, some of the object pronouns are exactly the same as subject pronouns, which can be helpful for you, and it will be easier for you to remember them. So, let's repeat them once again. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Let's go to the third category. Third category are possessive adjectives. Sometimes they are falsely called pronouns, but in fact they are adjectives. Which are they? My, your, his, her, it, your, their. With these pronouns, or in fact adjectives, you are probably very familiar, but maybe you didn't know they are in fact called adjectives. They are called adjectives because they don't replace the subject or the object of the sentence, as we talked about with the previous groups, but these in fact stand in front of the noun. Therefore, they are called possessive adjectives. Okay, let's cover some examples. My. Did you bring my book? Your. The teacher wants to see your homework. His. Do you know something about his past? Her. She had to sell her car. Its. We chose this TV because of its many qualities. Our. This is our new neighbor. Their. Where is their headquarters? Next category, the fourth category, is called possessive pronouns. Which are these? These are the pronouns which replace possessive nouns which could be in the position of subject or object. Which are they? Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Let's cover the examples. Mine. This is your book, but where is mine? Yours. Yours book is over there. His. That car looks like his. Hers. These keys aren't hers. Ours. This company is ours. Theirs. Our bill is settled. What about theirs? So these are the possessive pronouns. They replace the possessive nouns which could be in the position of subject or object. Many times you can find these at the end of the sentence, but it is not a rule, and they can also be in the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. Depends on what kind of sentence you are using. Okay, let's go to fifth category. Fifth category are reflexive pronouns. They refer back to subject which could be also direct or indirect object. Which are they? These are the pronouns ending with self. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. So let's repeat the definition. They refer back to subject which is also the direct or indirect object. Myself. I told myself to not look back. So this myself refers back to I. I told myself to not look back. Yourself. Did you cut yourself on this glass? Himself. He bought himself a birthday gift. Herself. She found herself in a very dangerous situation. Itself. The bird threw itself from the roof. Ourselves. We never stop blaming ourselves for the fire. Themselves. They can take care of themselves. The last category are intensive pronouns. They are in fact the same as the reflexive pronouns, but their function in the sentence is a little bit different. They emphasize the subject of a sentence. They can be removed without any significant change of the meaning of the sentence, but if you keep them or if you use them in the sentence, they emphasize the subject. Which are these? Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Myself. I baked this cake myself. Yourself. You yourself ask for promotion, so don't complain now. Himself. The president himself visited the client. Herself. Our boss didn't know the answer herself. Itself. The future itself wasn't scary for them. Ourselves. We like to build the house ourselves. Themselves. They themselves told me to stay as long as I wanted. Okay guys, these were all the categories of the pronouns. I hope you like this video, and after watching this video you will be able to remember and use nicely all the pronouns that we covered. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below this video. I would be very happy to answer your comments and your questions. Also, you can write me some example sentences if you are not sure whether you can use the pronoun correctly or not. I will be really happy to help you with it. So take care, and don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share this video also with your friends who are learning English, so they can improve if they have any problems with pronouns. Bye bye!